you buying? I'm buying. Very much obliged. No, very much obliged. I appreciate your business, Machan. Machan.
Hey,
Hey,
what you doing?
playing video games, as always. What's up?
I got your challenge.
Hey, what? Eh? What? 皆さん、こんにちは JP. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Alright, so the challenge today is I gotta guess all these 6 umaibo. Umaibos. All 6 of these umaibo. We have corn potage. We have cheese. We have sugar rusk. Sugar rusk.
Oh, you can read katakana.
Mentaiko. And that is fish eggs, for people who don't know. Nori, nani?
Norishio.
Norishio. Oh, so seaweed salt. Okay. And we have takoyaki. Takoyaki?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Takoyaki. Taco balls. Alright. Okay, so the rules are what?
I'm gonna blindfold you,
Uh-huh.
and you will taste it one by one, and you have to guess what flavors are.
At the end or
At the end. At the end.
Okay.
I'll give you a little bit of lemon juice for the mistakes that you made.
Okay. Easy. 簡単ですよ。行きましょう。
Okay, so I want you to use newspaper so that you don't put the crumbs everywhere.
What am I, a child?
Yes, you are.
Look, I have a little manga, that little comic strip right there.
Okay, the first one will be this. Okay, open your mouth.
I got it. Oh. Got it.
Got it?
Definitely know what that one is.
Okay.
I like that one.
Okay.
Okay, ready for the next. Number 2. Numero 2.
Number 2. Second one is
Number 2.
this.
Number 2 is a banana.
Wait.
Hi. Actually, like, okay, I got it. The consistency of these things are just like, Cheetos, actually. Like, it's a bigger Cheeto.
Third one is this one.
Number 3. This one, like it takes like the one. Wait a second. I forgot. I definitely know number 1. I forgot number 2. Eh? Number two. I think that, yeah, this has got to be, okay. I know number 3. Whoa. Okay. Number 2. I forgot number 2. Oh, crap. I'm ready.
Okay. Number 4.
Number 4. Yeah, I definitely know what that is. Chotamateo. Give me a moment. Number 5. Very distinct. Okay. I know it. Definitely. Wow. So, what a distinct flavor.
And the last one.
Number 6.
You may get them all right.
Oh, I think I am.
That would be boring.
I'm gonna get them all right. Coming up. Oh my. You didn't even tell me it was coming. You just stuck it in there. Jeez. Excuse me. I'm a lady. Treat me as such. I'm a gentleman.
Let's go. Number 6.
Hi. Hmm? That one. Whew. Okay. I know what that is.
So, okay, let's see. First one.
Okay.
Hey, first one.
Number 1 is Mentaiko! Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna win.
2.
Number two was dang it. Number 2 was cheese. Cheese death. Cheese death. Cheese. Because that one tastes like okay. Because that one tastes just like
Cheetos.
Cheetos. Yeah, Cheetos.
Hey, 3.
I think that's probably the most basic flavor. 3 is three. Mentaiko, cheese. Forget all the flavors. What are all the flavors? Number 3 is corn potage.
Ooh. Number 4.
Number 4. Okay. What's left? There's rusk and then I know the last one. Number 4 is takoyaki.
Number 4 is takoyaki?
Wait, what? What? No, wait. Number 1 was
Am I giving you
mentaiko. Number 2 was cheese,
corn potage.
and then number 4, takoyaki. Takoyaki.
Boo-boo.
Hey, what do you mean? There was no.
And then what's the next one?
The next one is the rusk. Number 5 is rusk, and then last one is the nori salt.
Oh, so
Nori
I think you messed it up because of your memory. I think you got it. You got them right, but then your memory messed it up. Da, 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 da. Okay.
Does that mean I have no? I got it. Wait. I had to get them all right to do.
Yeah.
All of them. Dang it. Kuyashi!
Just squeeze this. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, open your mouth. Hey, ikimasu.
Oh! Oh! Is that old? How old is that thing?
No, it's not. It's not expired. It's 2021 October. No. October 20. No, is that what it is?
It's expired.
No. 2021 February 26th. Hey, second sip.
Wait. Give me a sec.
No, let's go.
Hi. Oh! Oh! I can feel it here. Thank you. You sprayed my whole face though.
Because you moved.
Well, yeah, you. But see, I can feel it like the first one wasn't so bad. It just kept on my tongue.
Oh yeah.
A little bit, and then the second one went like here, deep in my jaw. Okay, guys, so how did I do? I got 4 out of the 5 just because of my memory. But if it wasn't for my daggone memory, then I would have had all of them. I actually really liked the mentaiko, so I knew that one right away. That one I could tell. The second one, this cheese one, was like, oh, it's like a Cheeto. It just has a cheese, like a light cheese taste. Especially since this is like fish egg, so to wrap your mind around that, you would think like, oh, it's gonna taste disgusting. But it's not fishy at all. It's actually spicy. It's good. This one's corn potage. I'm not a fan of this. It's a little sweet and it has a weird corn taste. And last is nori salt. Nori shio. Nori shio. What's that? Seaweed salt. Seaweed salt was very salty actually, and then the seaweed taste hit it the last. So I knew what it was, but I did not enjoy it. JP no susume wa. My recommendation is mentaiko. Try the mentaiko. Okay, guys, well, that's going to wrap it up for me today. I'll see you the next time. JP signing off. One.
I don't need to have a sip of water.
Okay.
Is it? It's actually difficult.
Oh yeah?
How did you do it?
Easy, I can taste it.
海苔しようかな。
But these three you messed up.
It's about memory.
Okay, so punishment. One, two.